Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a web server running on Google Cloud Platform for free. So you need three things. You need a domain that you have already set up with a domain provider. You need a Google Gmail account, and you need a bit of technical knowledge. But that's pretty much it. And you can have your own web server for free. Um, let me just share my screen. I'm going to show you how this works. All right. So first thing first. This is my Gmail account that we've got here. It's just a test account. And if you're going to create a virtual machine in Google Cloud Platform, there's a tier that is free. So you see you can have a micro VM that is running on one of those three regions with a 30 gig disk, and you can have some snapshot. You can have some free networking every month for 1 gig, which is quite a lot, excluding Australia. But I mean Australia, but it's really not a problem. So let me just show you how this works. So once you're in the cloud.google.com with your Gmail account, it should bring you here. And you click on console, it's going to bring straight away the console of Google Cloud Platform. And you're going to create straight away a new VM with the same specification that we've seen in the free tier. So you go to Compute Engine, VM instances. Yes, I want to create a billing account. I'm just a startup. I've agreed. Continue. Continue. Okay. It's going to ask me to create a payment profile, which I can use, but we can't type. Just individual. And I thought I could use my, okay. I'm going to put my credit card because it needs some way of verifying who I am. So I'm just going to pause the sharing for a moment while I'm putting my credit card in. So I've just put my credit card number and my address, and I'm here. I just want to evaluate the technical capabilities. Next. Okay, next is fine. Website. Next. I'm just a system admin. Done. Okay. Skip for now because I know exactly what I'm doing. So Compute Engine API, enable. Okay, it's coming up. All right, so this is where we are, and we want to create a new instance. So we're in the Compute Engine section, create an instance. And we need to create this instance exactly with the same parameters as the free tier. So it has to be an E2 micro VM, and we're going to choose US West 1. Okay, so let's just call it Linux server one. I don't need any label. I want this, of course, has to be all in lowercase, running in US West one in the US. Okay, that's fine. It's, what was it? E2. And then it's an E2 micro. That's the one we want. CPU, platform, and GPU. We don't have to choose anything here. You probably want to tick this one. Oh, disk is important because by default is going to be a balanced persistent disk, which is not free. So what we want is the standard persistent disk, as you can see here. So we're going to change it. Okay. The OS I'm going to choose is Debian because I'm familiar with it, but you can choose whatever you want. And I want to have it standard persistent disk, and we know we're allowed to have like up to 30 gig of size. So I'm going to take those 30 gig, and it's going to run on Debian version 11, which is good. Select. Okay, good. Okay. We don't need to change anything here. All right, you want to allow HTTP and HTTPS because we're going to build a website on this. And for this, there's nothing we need to change. Nothing. Okay, so we can create the instance. Okay. Okay, so it looks like it's running. Oh, okay, it's running. It's all good. And we already have a public IP address allocated to it. And we also can get to the console. So this is your public IP address that we're going to use in DNS. And when it says if mural, it means that if you're going to delete this instance, this IP address will be lost. But even if you shut it down, it will stay the same, which is really important because obviously you don't want to change your DNS record all the time. So just to make sure that we can get to the console, we can click on SSH and this should work straight away. And we can see the console in a few moments. Yay! So we're in. And you can see the name. Okay, Linux Server 1, all good. So now what we want to do is to be able to find this VM on the internet. So we know the IP address, but what we want to do is to actually find it using DNS. So hopefully you have access to your DNS control panel. In my case, I'm using IANet. So I've got a number of domains that I'm managing. For this one, I'm going to use this one. So the home it.biz, and I'm just going to create a new record that is going to point to my server. So add a new DNS record. It's going to be an A record. I'm just going to call it server 1, which was the name of my sorry guys, here's my SSH. Linux server 1, okay. And the IP address was this one. Good, good, finish. And now I just need to wait for a few. Okay, it's synced, which is great. So I should be able to ping it. Ping Linux. Yeah, one dot IT dot biz. Yay, we can find it. So that's good. What we want to do now is install a Apache web server on this, so we can build our brand new web server. So I'm going to use a tutorial that I've used for my Raspberry Pi. So it's really easy. What we want to do is do this. So we want to install Apache. And just go into the console, paste this. Up, it's running. Okay. Should I be able to see it already? So what's the name of Linux server 1.it.biz? Yay. So that's it. We've got our web server running on the Google Cloud Platform. It took me like 10 minutes to do. I'm going to stop the video here, and I'm going to make another one to show you how to create the WordPress servers on running on Apache. So it will be part 2 of the series. Thank you.